Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Monday. It's already Monday. It was just Friday. I was just saying, hey family, happy Friday. It is now Monday, and we are back on this grind. So yesterday, well, last night, I posted a video showing the pearl bracelets that I'm making for one of the sisters at my congregation. She's having a Christmas event, and she wants 30 bracelets. So she wants 15 different, 15 and 15. So the video for the other 15, I did that one last night. If you want to look at those bracelets, that's on here. Um, and then I came up with these too. I like these. So the colors she wants is yellow with a turquoise, and then of course pearl, because she love pearls. I mean, like, she always got on something that's pearls, like real pearls. She always got pearl stuff on. And then another one of her favorite colors is yellow and then turquoise. So you can imagine how she generally looks, right? Real pretty, dresses really nice. I mean, she do wear other colors and stuff, but these are pretty much her favorite colors. So these are going to be the second style bracelets, and I'm just using that yellow stone with these glass turquoise color beads, and then these simulated pearls. So this is what the next 15 are going to look like. So hopefully she'll like these. And then what she's going to do is put them in. She's going to get the turquoise color box, like the little Tiffany colors, and then she'll wrap them up really cute and stuff. And then as the women show up at the event, they'll get a gift. Like, as they enter in, they'll get their little gift. And I was like, man, that is like the cutest little stuff ever. And I said, well, do they get to open it, being that it's not going to be Christmas yet? She said, yeah, if they want to, they can open it there. If not, they can just take it and, open it whenever they want to, because her party is on Saturday. And I was like, that's real cool. What is Saturday? 23rd? 15th, 45. Yes, 23rd. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. But anyway, this is what I'm working on. Also, just something real quick before I go off camera. Okay. I was, not only what, but anyway, this is what I'm working on right now. And I'm gonna be doing that while we chit chatting. Y'all know I got a job to go to at 10:30. Okay, so we're gonna do this real quick. I was watching a video. I like to watch self help. I like to watch self help videos. I like to watch anything that has to do with spirituality, anything that has to do with self, making self better, making me a better person. You're not always highlighting the flaws of others, but keeping a keen eye on myself, to make sure, that I'm steadfast, to make sure that I'm doing the best that I can and being the best person that I can be. And the lady was saying in the video, she was saying that out of all the relationships and everything in her life, she feels like she is an afterthought. An afterthought in the sense that she said people don't consider her. Like, they'll do things, and then after they've thought about it, planned it, then they'll say to her, oh, okay, well, um, we want you to do this, or, you know what, oh, we're already going there, like, things, it's after. You don't consider, she said, they don't consider her daughter, the relationship she's in, the people she works with, like, all those type of things. And she was saying, well, for me, I made the decision to not allow that to happen anymore. And then listen to that, the key word is allow. So then two words: not to allow. Not to allow it to happen. And I was having a conversation with somebody the other day, because I'm always having some conversation, right? Yesterday was with my sister, and before that, it was I was at dinner with some people, and we were having a conversation there too. So it was, I said, people will only do to you what you allow them to do to you. So if you allow people to be inconsiderate, they're going to always be that. If you allow people to be disrespectful, they're going to always be that. I don't care if it's your husband, I don't care if it's your child, your social circle, your co-workers, I don't care who, people in the church, I don't care who they are. If you let people keep being those things, they're going to always be those things to you. And then on the back end, you're going to find yourself frustrated. You're going to find yourself angry. You're going to find yourself upset. You're going to find yourself in a place that's like the land of dry bones. And that's not good stuff. But anyway, I thought it was a really good, like what she was talking about. And I was like cheering her on. It's like, you go, girl, because whatever you allow people to do, that's exactly what they're going to do. That's exactly what they're going to do. That's why you got to nip that stuff in the bud at the very beginning. No, you don't get to be rude. No, you don't get to be disrespectful. No, you don't get to be inconsiderate. You don't get to be able to do those things. And then the sad thing about that is a lot of people are not strong enough to talk up. No, you don't get to do that. Right? And then that's the whole thing about it. Got to be strong enough to talk up. I said no and I meant no. And then not only that, though, strong enough to withdraw. And I think the problem with women, y'all didn't come here for a sermon, but we all gonna talk, okay? And the thing with women is women are emotional by nature. So women, many women find it very difficult to withdraw themselves, especially if they like somebody. If they really, really like somebody, it's hard for them to pull away, thinking, oh, I'm gonna lose him or whatever the case may be. Well, if he goes away because you set a boundary and you want him, or no, he has to comply with the boundary, and he goes away, he's not supposed to be there. That is all that is. I don't care if it's him. I don't care if it's your children. I don't care who it is. People in the church. Okay, I don't care who it is. You got to protect yourself and keep yourself covered. Am I still videotaping? I think so. But anyway, I came here to make these little bracelets. I'm gonna go ahead and take myself off camera, and do a couple more of these bracelets before I have to do what I got to do. And then I've been working on journals and stuff. The Purple Collection journals is available. Not journals, but coloring books are available in my Amazon store. So I was checking that this morning. And when I went in there this morning, all of those are live. So I was like, oh, good. Thank God those came through, because people were asking me about the purple. It's called the Purple Collection journal. So those are there. Not journals, but coloring books. I keep saying journals, coloring books. Anyway, I'm going to do this. And guess what, family? We're going to talk in a minute. But I'm going to still keep chatting while we're doing this. So we're going to go ahead and do these. And I got to do 15 of these. If I don't get them done this morning, I will get them done later on today. Because for my lunch period, I'm going to do my little exercise. Oh my goodness, I've been slacking. And then one thing I be saying to myself, I'll be asking the Lord every day, Lord Jesus, please bless me not to sit up in here and get big as a house, because I work from home on my day job. And I'm like, Lord Jesus, please do not allow that to happen, because it could happen. You be sitting up in here eating all sweets, and I've never been a sweet person per se until I got a little older. Like, it's all the time I want sweets. And I know it has to do with a certain, stage in life. I'm sure about that. So I'm trying to be careful about, the sweets, because I will eat some ice cream. I'll eat some, it just has to be something sweet. Even like with regular food, I will make some uh, fish tacos, or I'll fry me some fish. And I fry the fish in olive oil. So I'll fry some fish, but I have to make my special little sauce, which is I make it with a little mayonnaise and strawberry yogurt. And I mix it up and I have the little sauce, right? Because I have to have something sweet. Or if I eat, let's say a hot dog or something, it has to have some relish on it. It got to have something sweet. The ketchup got to be sweet. Something got to be sweet. And I'm like, man, I got to be careful with that. 2, 4, 6. Is that eight? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's 9. I think that's what I wanted on, because for the fuller size. But anyway, we had a real good conversation about that, and I was like, yeah, if it don't equal up, if the respect don't equal up, if the love don't equal up, if the concern don't equal up, it's like, what really is the point if you think about it? What really is the point in being engaged with that person, or even being socializing with that person, or allowing that person in? Because when we think about it in terms of, you come with perks, you come with protection, you come with things. So if I come with things that are beneficial not only for me but for others, no, you got to we need to consider if the person is even worthy of being allowed in. That even goes with family members. I don't care what nobody say. Family members are do you worse than anybody. 245. That's only because they're in. They have access to you. They're the immediate. You know, I don't care who it is. I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I might have said this before. I was at one of the gospel gospel meetings, and one of the sisters had stood up, and I mean, she was just crying, and man, she was in a really bad place, and she was asking for prayer because of how she's feeling at the moment. She was saying how she's feeling and what she's going through, and how she felt betrayed, and she felt, like the same people that sit up in the building and holler, oh, how I love Jesus, did her like they did her. And I was sitting there thinking to myself, see, that's even, you got to be careful. Even in the church, you have to be very careful with people. You can't let people in, you not too far in. You can't be giving up too much of your personal information. You don't need people sitting all up in your house every time you look around. You don't need to be on the phone with them every time you look around. You just got to keep yourself guarded. But I don't care who it is, family, friend, or foe, because people. Everybody don't have a heart like you. Everybody don't think like you. So that's just a reality. These are really pretty too. So I got to make 15 of these too. I really like these. Right? These are really pretty. It's the pearls for me. Let me see. Yeah, I like the way these look. I love, you guys let me know. I love the way the colors blend in together, right? The thing is, I have one more of this yellow bead. I know I got some more around here somewhere because I had bought these beads, this color beads from, I had a bunch of them right here. They came on a strand, and I got these from Joann's. But I do know that I have a couple of new strands around here that I never opened and or took apart, and I'm sure there's some yellow beads on there. If not on the strands in this box I got back here, that big box, I'm sure there's some in there I could find, so I can come up with 15 of these. But these are the second ones that I'm making, 15. So she'll get 30 bracelets, and I'm gonna have these for her. You can see I already got them ready for her. So the other 15 are already done. These are gonna be done, so she can pick these up either tonight, well, probably tomorrow, Tuesday, if God says the same, Tuesday or Wednesday, she can grab them, whenever. I'll call her and let her know you need to go ahead and order your boxes so you can get your boxes. And she got like this whole little situation already planned, how she's going to wrap them and do it and all this good stuff. I'm like, oh, okay, that's good stuff. I like that. I like that. She said, you coming? Yeah, I'm coming because I want to see their faces when they open up the boxes. Oh, I'm going to tell you guys this real quick before I go. It might have been, oh my God, it was before COVID. We had did a ladies' day at my church. And for the ladies' day, the gift was I made jewelry for the ladies. So every lady got a piece of jewelry. So what we did is in the back area, the fellowship hall, it was all set up all nice and elegant, real pretty and stuff. And we got the little small jewelry boxes. What color did we go with? I think we went with black. I think we did the little black boxes. No, they were turquoise. Tiffany. The little turquoise boxes. So in each box, they either got like a pair of earrings or they got like a really pretty pendant, something really cute and stuff. And when the ladies went into the back to all be seated at each table, the table setting was set, and in each uh, glass, the box was set in a real elegantly, like it was like really nice. So when they started opening up their little gifts, baby, if you could hear the oohs and the ahs and the oh my god and oh my god. One of the ladies said, she said, "Well, I don't wear earrings." She said, "Can I exchange with a person? Will that be okay?" And I'm like, "Yeah, you can exchange whatever you guys want to do." So at that moment, others started to exchange because somebody liked what the other person had, and so it went. But it was really really nice just to see people open them up and then see what they had. Like it was really something to be seen. So I'm looking forward to her event on Saturday too to see how the women kind of react when they open up their boxes. But anyway, it's a beautiful Monday. I feel it being a productive Monday, a pretty good Monday. So we're gonna do what it is that we do. I wanted to thank you guys too for being so active in the Facebook group. I'm gonna try to do that one day this week. I'm gonna drop a link in there for that'll lead you to a digital planner. So if you want the planner, you can go over to the Jury by BDK Facebook group. The link will be in there. You'll click on the link, be directed to the web page, and go ahead and just download it and print it. If you want to use it, and if you don't, that's cool too. But it's good for planning, for time management, for setting goals, for doing all those type of things. If that's stuff that you into, and if you're not into it, no pressure. No pressure at all. Some people do how they do, and that's good stuff, and that's their method, and that's their way, and nobody is mad at that. It's like however you do what it is that you do, that's good stuff, and we ain't got no rebuttal to it. Trust me, I don't anyway. But anyway, darling night for Jerry by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.